Got my snacks. And chill. See what we got. Hold on, bro. Is that what I think it is? I gotta watch this. Hold on, hold on. Oh. Oh. Okay. Got him a little fish. Got him a little fish. Not even that big. Not even that big, bro. Hold on. I gotta call this dude. 21. Can you do something for me? What's this calling my? Oh, this is the bro. Hello? Hello? Yeah, what's good, bro? Hey, bro, what's good? I'm watching your video, man. It's kind of nice, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's nice. Okay, I see you. Make sure you bite that like button, too. Yeah, I'm gonna like it, but hey, listen, bro. This is what I need for you to do. What? I need you to hit us with a double upload. Do what? Yes, bro, a double upload. A double upload? I know they hidden, but... That's too much work, bro. You know how hard it is to edit videos and making sure everything lines up perfectly and all. I'm making excuses, man. You're always making excuses for something. You holding out on us, man. You being lazy. I don't always got excuses, bro. Why you trying to get on me like... Stop playing and hit these folks with another upload, bro. Get to work. Stop playing. All right, bro. All right. I got you, bro. I got you. All right, bro. You better. You better do it, man. All right. Ooh. Trying to tell me he ain't gonna do another. Hey. It's too much work. But I guess I gotta do it. The fans love it. All right, let's get straight to it. Here we go, first cast. Not the last, baby. Let's get into it. We did have a severe thunderstorm last night, and it was raining / hailing. It was it was a mess. Of course, I gotta come out the very next day and fish. I'm sure the fish are going crazy right now. So, you already know the deal. Got a couple of guys out here with me. Some guys down to my right, but guy right now I got on the drop shot. It's nothing on the first cast. Let's get another one out here. It might be closer to the bank, maybe. Maybe. Testing it, testing it. Nope, okay. I wonder what these red buoys are for. No nibbles yet. It's like 80 what? 83, 84 degrees out right now. Feels good. Feel even better once we catch a big one. Slowly getting back into it, man. Trying to hit y'all with this double upload. You know what I'm saying? Getting back into the fishing routine. Nice and quiet. I like fishing on Mondays. Everybody's at work. And I ain't. Oh, fish jumped over there. Got one. Nice. Here we go. Nice one. We like that. We like that. Here we go. Little turd though, but off to a start. We like that. We like that. Hopefully they get bigger, but that is a start. He tried to catch me off guard because I wasn't looking at my lure, and I was looking to the right at the other guys to see if they caught anything yet. But nice little catch on the first, or the first. I'm lying like a mug. Nice one. Getting started. Well, we're gonna find the big ones. we are going to find them. And when I do, it will be over with. What was that? That was a big ripple right there. I don't know if that was a fish or a turtle. I think it was a turtle. Oh, something hit me. No way my worm should look like this if no fish didn't hit me. Oh, so a lot of y'all were probably wondering what the hell is on my arm. I got bit by a freaking ant or spider, I don't know what it was, but it left a freaking crater in my arm. Oh. So, got an ugly scar on my hand. One on the board. Hopefully we got another one. I'm gonna probably move to my right. I don't know if they're really over here. There are a lot of turtles over here, but I'm not sure if there's any fish over here. I don't know if they're over here, y'all. Let's try to our right. But my worm keeps messing up. I think it's just because I need a new worm. Need a new worm on here. All right, y'all, a lot of things happened when y'all were gone. Freaking battery overheated and I lost a chatterbait. So life is good. You know what I'm saying? There's only so much that I... Oh, whoa, bee in my face, bee in my face. Whoa, 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 whoa. Boy, try to kiss my eye. No, sir. No, sir. What the heck? I don't know if my mic picked that up, but that mug tried to get me. About to be Boundary Waters 2.0 with my eyeball. Oh, ants on me. Ants on me. Ants all over my shoes too. Oh no. I think I'm about to get bit up. No sir. So they can leave more craters in my freaking... No sir. I can't go for it. I was standing on an ant pile. Trying to kill these mugs. Flies jumping on me. Hold on now. Now my senses have heightened. These red ants, man, they be tripping. Golly. I think one got me in the knee. Not gonna lie. Bees flying over my head. See, I'm about to move. Escaped the ant swarm. And we're now down a little ways in some shade. Well, this fish jumping all over here. Oh, got one. There we go. Whoa, he's a floppy feller. He's a floppy feller. He is a floppy. Oh, he's fighting. Not bad either. Tighten my drag up. Yo, he is tugging. Wow. Come on now. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Nice one. Oh, he's a chunky. That's a nice one. That's a big one. That is a big one. Let's go. Let's go. Roof of the mouth. He almost swallowed it, y'all. He almost swallowed it. Wow. Here we go. Hoo-hoo. He's not too freaking shabby. Look at that dude. Look at that dude. Look at the belly. Can you guys see the belly? Gotta take my picture, you know, of a freaking toad. Look at that one jumping. He wanna get caught too. He wanna get caught too. Tank. All right. This is a nice one, y'all. Look at that beaut. All right. Nice splash. Thank you for the splash. Needed to cool down a little bit. The drop shot is hitting after the severe weather storm. They are biting on the drop shot. So you know what I'm gonna keep throwing? The drop shot. If you're enjoying the video so far, man, make sure y'all bite that like button and subscribe. I might have to put a new worm on. This is getting jacked up. This is getting jacked up, but this is like a good sign. Back out you. Got another one. There we go. Come to daddy. Feels like a nice one. Yeah, he feels good. Pause! Much more calmer than the other one. Look at that dude. Straight chilling. All right, now he's not chilling. You're getting muddy, my friend. You're getting muddy. Now you got mud in your eye. Look at that. You got mud in your eye. Not that bad. Hooking them today, y'all. Okay, calm down. Fish out of water. Fish out of water. Fish out of water. Let's go. Hooked him right in the lip. And he took my worm, so that's good. That is good. He ain't bad either, y'all. 2 pounds, if that. How does it feel to get dirt in your eye, homie? How does it feel to get dirt in your eye? He ain't bad either. Nice one. All right, you're not gonna splash him like the other one did. See ya. All right, let's get a new worm on there. And the sun's peeking, so I'm about to back up into the shade. But what I'm using is a good old-fashioned pumpkin seed trick worm on the drop shot. Catching some 2-pounders. Tagging them today. That's why y'all always check your, oh, hello. Always check your radar, because after it storms, the fish are biting. Look at this squirrel trying to size me up. I will punch you. Yeah, I will literally send you to the moon, my boy. Seen a lot of action over here. Don't know if they're big ones or not. Regardless, we're gonna catch them, so I can say I caught them. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon. It's boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. All right, here we go. There we go. Nice cast, nice cast. Got one. Got him. Nice. Not a big one, little guy. He's feisty. He's feisty. I understand. I get it. You got hooked by the great Quavo. You got hooked by the great Quavo. You know what I'm saying? It happens to the best of us. But you got. You, my friend, have gotten got. So you can't do nothing about it, but I appreciate your efforts. Let's go. Oh, he did do something about it. Look at that. All that twisting and turning. All that twisting. Oh, this is gonna take me a minute to get out. No, sir. Nice cast, nice cast. Oh. Got one. Got him. Nice. It's hard to freaking set a hook back here. Oh no, did I lose him? Did I lose him? No, I still got him. He's just swimming with me. Here we go. Got another one. Stop it. Oh my. Eyeball hook set. Eyeball hook set. Sorry, my boy. Try to keep your eye in. He's still good. A little crooked, but a little cockeyed dude. Dang, he was like flapping when I threw him back. Let's wrap this video up, man. It was fun. My camera keeps overheating and I don't want it to mess up any of the film. So last cast of the day, fishing with Quay. Today was a very fun video, man. We caught 3, I believe, 3, 4, something like that. But if y'all enjoyed today's content, man, make sure y'all bite that like button and make sure y'all get hooked on the subscribe button to catch my upcoming videos. Don't forget to share this video with a buddy, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.